In the first part, we have to express fx in partial fraction. So this is the case where there is a quadratic factor in the denominator. So it will be a over 1 plus 2x plus bx plus e over 2 plus x squared. So we will be taking LCM of the left-hand side so that the denominators on both sides of the equation become the same and they can be cancelled out. So a has to be multiplied with 2 plus x squared and bx plus c has to be multiplied with 1 plus 2x. Okay, and then this and this cancels out. And then we have 5x squared plus 8x plus 5 equals a times 2 plus x squared plus bx plus c times 1 plus 2x. Okay. Now we can make this 0 by equating it to 0. So x will be equals to negative half. So if x equals negative half, substitute that in place of every x, this will eliminate and you will get a value of a. So I'm just directly writing the answer. When x equals negative half, a will come out to be 1. Please do check. Now to find b and c, we can take x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. So this eliminates, replace the left-hand side becomes 5 equals to, replace this with 1. So we'll also take a equals 1. So is equals to 1 times 2 plus b times 0 becomes 0, c times 1. So this would become 3. So c equals 3. Similarly, for to find the value of b, you'll need another value of x. So we can take x equals to 1. We'll also use a equals 1 and c equals 3. And that will give us the value of b. And that comes out to be 2. So the partial fraction would be 1 over 1 plus 2x, then 2x plus 3 upon 2 plus x squared. Okay. Part B says, hence finds the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of x squared. Okay, so we not just need the coefficient of x cube. So we don't need to completely expand everything. We can be smart about it. But let's see. Okay. The first problem is this 2 here, which should be a 1 instead. So I will take 2 common. This is, I'm sorry, this power is negative 1. And the denominators go up, their power become negative 1. So when this 2 comes out, it comes out as 2 power negative 1, which is a half. So I'm writing a half here. So half times this bracket. In fact, when we multiply half with this, it becomes x plus 3 over 2. So what I did, I took a half outside and then multiplied it with the first bracket. So it becomes x plus 3 over 2. Okay, and then the second bracket is 1 plus x squared over 2 power negative 1. And now we will be expanding this. Okay, 1 plus, okay, we only need the x cube term. So that's going to be this term, negative 1 minus 1, negative 1 minus 2 upon 3 factorial times 2x whole cube. We don't need every expansion of this, just the fourth term. Okay, and for this one, there's x plus 3 over 2. Now here I need The first term would be 1, which we don't need. The next term would be negative 1 times x square over 2. This would be needed. But the next term would be, in the end, we'll get x square over 2 whole square. That would be the x4 term, x power 4 term, which is not needed. So that means we don't need to expand beyond the second term. Okay, so the first bracket becomes, let me see, it becomes minus 8x cubed plus x plus 3 over 2 times 1 minus x squared over 2. Okay, but we just need the x cubed term, so that's just going to be this times this. So minus 8x cubed minus half x cubed, which gives negative 17 by 2x cubed. And we only need the coefficient, which can also be written as a mixed number. So minus 8.5 should be the final answer.